Bonjour à tous. Hi dears. Comment allez-vous? How are you all? This video I'm going to teach about the French grammar les adjectifs démonstratifs. That means demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are used to point out the specific noun. It also means to demonstrate that particular noun. For example, in order to point out that particular noun like this boy, that girl, this pencil, these flowers, those books, we will use les adjectives démonstratifs. As we know everyone, in French, each articles and adjectives are agree with the gender of a noun and the number of it. In English, it's not like that. So according to this basis, les adjectives démonstratifs is classified or as follows. For masculine singular, it is sir. Sir. For masculine vowel, that means in case the word is a masculine but starts with a vowel or the silent H, then you have to use cette. Cette. For feminine singular, it is cette. Cette. When you see a word is a feminine singular, even though it starts with a vowel or silent H, we have to use the same C-E-T-T-E, cette. Cette. When a word is in plural, we no need to see about whether the word is a masculine or feminine or starts with a vowel or silent H. Simply we have to use say. Say. So I repeat one more time what is les adjectifs démonstratifs. Encore une fois. For masculine singular, it is sir. For masculine vowel, cette. For feminine singular, cette. For feminine vowel, cette. If the word is in plural, it is say. To understand better, we will see with some examples. Je connais dash garçon. That means I know dash boy. What should come? I know this boy. Here see garçon after dash garçon is a masculine and is in singular form. So you have to use l'adjective démonstratif ce. Je connais ce garçon. I know this boy. Dash voiture coûte cher. That means dash car is expensive. What should come? This car is expensive. Here see after dash voiture, and voiture is a feminine and is in singular form. So I have to use l'adjective démonstratif cette. C-E-T-T-E, cette. Cette voiture coûte cher. This car is expensive. J'ai planté dash arbre. That means I planted dash tree. What should come? I planted this tree. See the word next to the dash is arbre, which starts with a vowel a and is in singular form. Arbre is a masculine gender, so it's masculine singular which starts with a vowel. What should use? We should use cette. C-E-T, cette. J'ai planté cet arbre. I planted this tree. Nous lisons dash histoire. That means we read dash stories. What should come? We read these stories. See the word next to the dash is histoire. It starts with a vowel, silent H. But see the word is in plural form. I told you no, if a word is in plural, no need to consider for masculine or feminine or vowel. Simply we have to use l'adjective démonstratif c'est. Nous lisons ces histoires. We read these stories. Dash image dessinée par mon ami. That means dash image drawn by my friend. What should come? This image drawn by my friend. See, the word next to the dash is image, which starts with a vowel but is in singular form. Image is a feminine gender, so it's feminine singular which starts with a vowel. Even though it starts with a vowel, for feminine singular you have to use cette. C-E-T-T-E, cette. Cette image dessinée par mon ami. This image drawn by my friend. Dash livres sont intéressants. That means dash books are interesting. What should come? These books are interesting. See, the word next to the dash is livre. Livre is in plural form, so no need to consider for any gender. Simply you have to use the adjective demonstrative plural c'est. Ces livres sont intéressants. These books are interesting. Dash oiseau chante bien. That means dash bird sings well. What should come? This bird sings well. See, the word next to the dash is oiseau, which starts with a vowel but in singular form. Oiseau is a masculine gender, so it's masculine singular which starts with a vowel. What we have to use? The adjective demonstrative cette. C-E-T, cette. Cet oiseau chante bien. This bird sings well. Okay dears, I hope you all understood this grammar, the adjective demonstrative. First of all, in order to do any grammar related exercise like articles or adjectives, first we need to know whether the noun or adjective belongs to masculine gender or feminine or vowel. For that, you all need to learn the basic vocabulary. So, in my channel, I am teaching the basic vocabulary for the beginners, which will help you to identify the gender as well as get to know the new vocabulary of French language. If you like my video on my teaching method, please comment below. I will meet you with new topic in next video. Until then, it's Messi. Over. Bye.